Hi Nailas! Today I'll show you how to make a lazy bun hairstyle without using a hair donut or a hair elastic at all. So we'll begin with brushing our hair and grabbing all our hair into a middle or high ponytail. Make sure to smooth it out with a comb or a brush, and then hold it with one hand at the base, and then with another one you want to twist it around the base like I'm showing, creating a donut shape. Then you want to twist the ends and bring it into the center of the donut like I'm showing, holding it in this donut shape with one hand. With another one you want to pin it in place using big grips or good bobby pins. Make sure to use a lot of them so it will hold in place your hairstyle all day long. At this point you want to pull it, making our bun a little more voluminous than it is right now. But you can totally skip this step if you have thick hair or if you don't like big buns. Pull the hair on the top to make it voluminous as well. You can use some hairspray if you need, and you're done. Tell me please in comments down below what you think about this lazy bun. And guys, if you're new, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification button to be notified 3 times a week when I post a new hair tutorial. Love you guys. Mwah. Bye.